Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I will show you how you can customize always on display. So at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, tap on the always on display in the lock screen. Then simply move to the always on display, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And here we can, for example, change the theme. I will pick maybe this one. When we are here, we can change the color of the text that we have here. I will go for this one. And also we can disable or enable battery and the notifications. As you can see, I'm going to take off the battery and I'm going to leave the notifications. And then when you want to apply, just apply by tapping on the button. And here is an option that we can turn off the always on display when the battery is in the saver mode to don't consume that much of the battery. And after that, when you go back and you lock your screen, it will be displayed for the 10 seconds. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.